So, yeah, sorry, mid conversation with the muses here. I am very excited about this project, y'all. It's been in my head pretty much since like the seventh grade, so I have no problem. I'm just gonna cut into it and drape the bodice. It's simple and complicated, I guess. Uh, it's gonna be like a structured bodice top. Here I am draping it, and then like a long flowy skirt. And I'm kind of still thinking between two ideas for this skirt construction, but we'll get to that later. Right now, I'm just kind of fitting all of these pieces of fabric, which has been sitting out underneath a spooky full moon for 3 days. Ooh. It just only makes sense that such a project should be imbued with witchcraft, right? So we'll be adding a lot of that into this as usual, but this one's gonna have extra. Okay, so not that any of that matters. So yeah, what I'm doing is I'm marking out where darts are gonna be, where I'm taking it in, what shape these little pattern pieces are actually going to take on. Yeah, she's coming together pretty easily. This is what she looks like so far. I think at this point I've stitched together this front center seam, and the side panels, I think. Well, it doesn't matter. This is like the bottom layer of this costume. It's not going to be just the dress, it's also going to have a hood veil thing. That part of the design isn't as fully realized yet, so we're just gonna have to kind of wing that. Here I am. This is what the opposite side of that top looks like. We're gonna throw in some basting stitches before taking this to the machine. I think I did the side seams with the machine. The whole top bust is just a combination of machine sewing and hand sewing. And you know what I like to do after a long day of draping evening gowns? Bone.